Hi, this is our second video on the chapter questions, and we're going to cover chapter number 10 today, which is a relatively smaller chapter with not many questions. And what we're saying, as we have said previously, that once you have access to all these question sets that we have made, which is very comprehensive, and our students say they get about 80 to 90% of the questions coming common in their exam. Sometime maybe with a slight difference in wording and all, including fill in the blanks. So previously you have shown chapter number word questions on the exam software. That's almost to replicate the way the questions will come in the exam. Today I'm going to show you our other software where you can also practice, and this one is relatively cheaper but really efficient in terms of practicing and reviewing your answers. There's only deficiency it has got in terms of filling the blanks, and I will show you as we carry on. As before, you can purchase this question from our website, which should be up and running in a week or 2 weeks time. But for the time being, you can use the link in the description to purchase these questions. So let's move on. Let's begin. So we have 12 questions to answer in 13 minutes. And also, as we have mock tests on our on the exam software, we do have mock tests in this software as well. Again, this is relatively cheaper for you if you want to practice. So let's start. Let's begin the quiz. So when you click on begin the quiz, we see our answer. In regards to ride sharing, which of the following statement is correct? Ride sharing can potentially introduce some safety risk for passenger. That's the correct answer. As a London PHV driver, you can only carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received from whom? A licensed London PHV operator, not council, not TfL. Next one is about, in regard to ride-sharing, a passenger may, if they make a booking by mistake, and you have stopped to collect somebody else, what will happen? It will result in an argument, not an understanding or anything else. It will result in an argument. Okay, we need to make one mistake, by the way. So that we can what do you call it, show you how this work. A couple of mistakes actually for filling the blanks as well in regard to, and also one thing, sorry, forgot to tell you that it clearly shows here how many marks you get for per question. So multiple choice, single select, you get 1 mark per question, and as we move on we'll explain. In regard to reducing possible problems with ride sharing, which one of the following is not correct? So this is where we need to be mindful, where they say not correct. That means in these 4 options, one of the options are incorrect, yeah, and 3 are correct. We make sure that we remember those. For example, this is the one. So it is not a good idea to suit passenger that if they feel uncomfortable, etc., so they can get out of the car and then book another journey. But the correct answer is it is a good idea. So we should select this one because it says not correct option, yeah, but the rest of the 3 are correct. This is also correct if the word not was there. Which one? There are more than, and then we have got double select. More than one answer we need to select. There are more than correct answers, you clearly say it, and our this software does also say. And this goes 2 marks. This has got in 2 marks in it. So make sure the passenger does not know. Now confirm with each separate passenger that they have booked a ride share as soon as you pick them up. It is not a good idea. No. Let them know if they have to change the predictor. So these are the 2 are the correct answers. So we must select both of them before we move on to our next options. Okay, now we're going to comprehension. Again, got 2 marks. So brothers, people and sisters, whoever is watching this video, so people, what they're saying to us is that around 27 question is multiple choice, single select, double select, and comprehension, which some people call it paragraph questions. So if you get all this correct, you should easily pass it. Even if you make mistakes with or fill in the blanks. However, sometimes they give 15 fill in the blanks as well. So in this case, obviously, you need to get the fill in the blanks correct as well. And when you practice at home on a computer on this software, make sure you click on this to full screen, so it's easier for you to do it. So comprehension question, I have explained in the previous video that there will be 3 lines, 4 lines, whatever. 1 or 2 word of changes will make other states are incorrect and 1 will be correct. Let's make a mistake on this one so we can show you how to review it. Ride sharing is when people who know each other. So it's a wrong answer. People who do not know each other. Ride sharing must be booked with a license. This is the correct answer should be. If you work for a PHB operator who offers ride sharing services, you should not talk to them about ride sharing training. No, you should. They should be providing the training. So remember, on question number 6, we made a mistake purposely. This is the correct answer, all ride sharing journey, but we're going to select this one. So for you to see how to review it. This one, a stranger knowing personal information about another person may make them vulnerable to crime. That's the correct answer. Now we move into fill in the blanks. As I said, a little bit of deficiency in this one has in terms of fill in the blanks. It doesn't have that red box that you're supposed to have on your exam, but our exam software does have it, and it does replicate, as I've said before, but it does the job for you to practice, and if you want to save some money because it's cheaper as well. So it says also here you got 2 marks on it. And what TfL does is the system and this system as well, calculate everything together and turn them into a percentage to show how much you have got. It is possible that ride sharing might happen. For example, 2 people have a similar route to and from work and travel. Yeah. So if, for example, you made a mistake, if you're traveling there, now you have to change it. You just take it there and put it. This one, if you, when you take the words, and then when it change color here, you cannot put the word like this. When it change color here, then you drop it, and then it goes in there. And in mobile phones, you cannot drag and drop on this one, but exam software you can. You just need to touch the blanks and touch the words, and it will like fly in there. So this one we have done correctly. And next one is ride sharing is when people who do not know each other pay separate fares because more than one, and travel together. Yeah. One thing to remember in terms of fill in the blanks, when you use one word here, the other words become irrelevant. So let me show you the next one. So for example, if you work for a private PHB operator who offers ride sharing services. So I have used offer and services. That means service and offer become irrelevant. I have provide and provides to left to deal with. As your operator should provide this. Next, let's make a mistake. A passenger may book. Word is book. We're going to put booking. Mistake. A ride sharing journey by mistake. If you stop to collect a second passenger, we'll make it correct, and the first passenger was not expecting you to do it. So let's make a mistake. Expect you to do it. It could result in an argument. Then, because as I said that there is a little bit of deficiency in terms of fill in the blanks, so we have added this, and this one is just to remind you in your exam that you should drop all the incorrect option to a red box. And again, if you prefer to practice on our exam software, you can purchase this too. And we have got fully computer-based facility for you to come and practice. If you want some help with training, we're very flexible, although very busy at the moment with a lot of people coming to us. So have a look at the options, for your options in the link below. And when our website is up and running, obviously you can get all this information on our website too. So let's finish it. We click on next because we're still within the time. Jump back to previous question. We're still within our so timer has stopped because we have gone to the submission screen. So, but if timer runs out, it automatically stop and then give you a result. So let's submit it and see how have we done. So we have got 79% marks, which is a pass mark anyway. And now using this software, what you can do, you can review incorrect answers here. So click on review incorrect answers. You can also review all answers as well. So this will show you, let me show you quickly. So review all answers. So obviously this is what you have answered is correct. It's a tick there. Okay, it's a tick there. So let's review the incorrect ones only. Incorrect ones just shows you the incorrect ones. Remember, this is where we made mistakes, that all ride sharing journeys must be booked alongside an operator. The right answer was ride sharing is when people who know each other, but correct is who do not know each other. So it will show incorrect, the cross on top, and then it will highlight what you have answered, and it will also indicate what should be the correct option. Next, incorrect we have done with the fill in the blanks. And a passenger may book, we said, and expecting. So you can click on view correct and it will show you here. View correct, it will show you view correct here. Anyway, so as I have previously said, we have fully computer-based facilities. You can purchase a question set, come practice. We can train you, take you through. Our training process is very intense, and our mock tests are set as 42 minutes, not 45 minutes, so that your brain is trained to answer these questions in a fewer time than the exam, so you have enough time to review. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'm going to put a lot more videos on SERU assessment. Very busy with training people at the moment, helping people out. But when I have a bit more time, I'll hopefully next week, and our website should be up and running. Like our channel, share this video with anyone that will be helpful, and turn the notification on. And if you're sitting your exam in a few days, good luck. And if you need help, get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.